Hi, good day everyone. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. I'm here with one of the official candidates of Mr. National Universe 2024. Of course, our very own Mr. National Universe Philippines, Kenneth Aniban. Hi, Kenneth.
Hi guys. So thank you for having me, Mamshi. So yep, as what Mamshi J told me, I am one of the candidates or the official candidates of Mr. National Universe 2024. So we'll be flying to Thailand in June 17 to 24. So please do support me and my other half, which is Ruslan Kolikov, in this upcoming Mr. National Universe 2024. So see you guys then.
All right. So, Kenneth, how are you now?
Very good. Just busy at work and just preparing myself for the 1 week or 1.5 weeks that I'll be there competing. So hopefully we could bring the crown for the Philippines.
So, what have you been doing right after you won the title?
For me, I'll be just real here. I just let loose for the last 2 months after I won the competition. So what I did was just to have fun because as you know, having a what you call this one, a process of having a pageant body is very rigorous. So that's why I just let loose for a while. Then after like 3 weeks or 3 months of just letting loose, I just went back to the gym and just
Uh-huh.
prepared myself for this event or this pageant. So hopefully, all of the process or all of the training that I've done may result to a crown for the Philippines.
Are you ready for this competition?
Yes, 100% ready. And just a little sneak peek, I'll be posting some photo shoot in the next few days or few weeks before I leave for Thailand.
Wow, mukhang maraming
Yes.
pasabog si
Yes,
Kenneth.
madami yan. Just ready lang kayo. Diba?
Well, talking about your preparation, especially sa national costume and as well as yung mga OOTD mo,
Mm.
are they all set na for the
Yeah,
competition?
yung sa OOTD ko, I've pull out madaming designers.
Wow.
Maraming nag reach out sa mga friends ko din na designers din. So, I'll be mixing and matching yung mga outfits nila. And also sa national costume, we're brewing with the organization of Mr. International Philippines. So, hopefully, may represent natin ng Philippines and Cebu Island kasi yun yung i-represent ko the best way we can.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
So you will be representing Cebu Island.
Yeah,
So
Cebu Island, Philippines.
would that mean that all your OOTD and also the national costume will be inspired on
Yes.
Cebu?
Yes, I'm not a Cebuano,
Uh-huh.
but marami akong kalalang Cebuano. And also yung aking province kasi sa Samar, so malapit lang ang Cebu sa akin. So hopefully ma-represent ko yung island or yung Cebu Island the best way I can. Tsaka feeling ko sobrang ganda nung mga ma-pull out ko kasi it's what is Cebu is. Cebu is very
Yes.
popular talaga. So mas magandang gusto kong i-represent na pagpasok ko pa lang, uy, parang eye-catcher na agad. So,
And as well as Cebu is one of the powerhouse also in the
Yes,
pageantry.
yes,
Not
yes.
only on the female pageant,
Yeah.
but of course sa male pageantry.
yes.
So do you feel pressure ba of carrying the name or the place of Cebu?
For me, pressure is normal. So, for me, siyempre, binasbasan na ako ng Cebu Island, so ng Cebu. So, yung mga, magic nila ng paano sila nananalo sa pageant, baka sumapi sa akin nung finals night, diba? So, baka malay mo, mabigyan ako ng magic touch ng pagiging Cebu Island na i-represent ko. So, hopefully, lahat, yung stars ay nag-align sa akin, sa amin dalawa ni Ruslan. So, hopefully talaga para sa Pilipinas, magawa ko to.
And of course, some of our pageant fans were confused. Why did you represent Cebu Island?
For me kasi, there are two license of Mr. International sa Mr. National Universe.
Uh-huh.
Now, one is Philippines and one is Cebu Island. Now, the reason for that kasi, Cebu Island itself, it's a parang popular place
Uh-huh.
or one of the popular place here in the Philippines. And sa National Universe kasi, ang ang tawag dito, like yung theme nila is tourism. So, yun yung gusto nilang mapakita, not just the city or not just the country of Philippines, but also yung mga pinaka-popular places dun like Cebu Island. So that's why ang ginawa ng Mr. National Universe is two representative, one for Philippines and one in the inner popular city here in or one of the popular island here in the Philippines.
Wow.
So,
I
yun.
think this year lang yung ginawa, no?
Actually,
Kasi
last year din.
last year din.
Yung batch nila Michael Ver. Yun, yung doon, may isa din na nag-represent sa Cebu Island. I don't know the name,
Uh-huh.
but maganda din yung performance niya that time. So, yeah, ang maganda sila ng parehas ng performance. Si Michael Ver lang talaga yung like nag-perform talaga na super.
All right.
So, ayan.
So,
Shout out to them.
any updates about your preparations?
Unang-una, syempre, of course, katawan. I'm siguro 80% there. I'm just leaning out. For example, like, I don't want to be big. Kasi yung mga ibang kalaban ng like bodybuilder na yung type of stuff, and I don't want to be like that kasi magmumukha akong like gasol sa stage. So I just want to be like a model type or a boxer type body, which is like veiny, like shredded. Yun yung hinahanap kong target. So I'm almost there. I got 16 days left, so nag-lean out lang ako done. It's all about the diet and the gym then preparations, and of course training then with the pasarela every day. Kung saan man ako maglakad, kung nag-gym man ako, puro ko tawag dito training. And also sa Q&A training ko din, I've been learning different stuff from different people sa pageant world. And of course, shout out kay Sir Jeps. May session din kami na Sir Jeps before I leave. So,
What is this for your Q&A?
yeah,
session?
Q&A
Wow.
training. He is training then Ruslan for that. So, hopefully, mabasbasan din niya ako ng kagalingan. Diba?
Of course naman. For the Philippines also.
Yeah, for the Philippines also. Diba?
All right. Thank you so much for that update,
Ayan, thank you.
Kenneth. Kasi we've not seen you for almost, I guess, 2 months na
Yeah.
you're not active on the social
Yeah.
media. So, do you think being a king, is it necessary to be active on social media always?
Yeah, it's very, very kailangan siya na maging active sa social media since there are many fans that wants update from you. Now, for me kasi, I've been busy with everything that's been going on sa buhay ko with work then and as a artist din sa TV5. So, all in all talaga, ginajumble ko talaga lahat yan. Pero syempre, di ko pa rin kinakalimutan yung responsibilidad ko for the title. Now, for me, that's why I've been laying low. Kasi syempre, sabi nga ng mga ibang pageant queens and kings, di ba? You need to pick at the right time. So, syempre, kung ano pa lang, from start to finish pa lang is hindi pa nagsisimula yung competition, nagpapasabog na ako. Maubusan ako ng bala pagdating doon, di ba?
Exactly.
So, mas maganda na yung, marami na ako nakaprepare and tawag dito, pagdating doon or malapit na doon, I just want like isang bagsakan para, parang maganda yung audiences and yung reach na makuha ko from my posting and from my social media pages din. And of course, hindi naman mawawala ang bashing din. Marami talaga nagsasabi na, ba't ang tahimik ng mga representative natin sa Philippines, di ba? Sabi ko nga, just wait and see. And you know me, I'm very, very competitive.
Yes.
So, alam ko sa sarili ko na pagdating ko doon, I'll be making an impact. Sa lahat naman ng pageant na nasalihan ko, I did not disappoint. So,
Yes.
mag-step up lang ako sa international kasi international na to. So, I'll be giving my 110%. So, hopefully I can win the crown for us.
We're praying for that, Kenneth.
Yes, hopefully.
Well, anyway, how do you feel right now that, diba, before you were competing in the national and now international na?
It's a very big adjustment then kasi you're not be competing with your fellow Filipinos. You'll be competing with other countries and some of it are culture based then. So some of it has a language barrier then. So for me, I just want to be like soak in all the culture, like learn from their culture, learn for different people, and of course then connection with them na pag natapos ang competition, I'll not be forgetting them. I'll be visiting once in a while sa country nila and getting to hang out with them. And for me kasi ang essence naman kasi ng pageant is just for competition. It's just a competition but the brotherhood and the connection that we'll be building here. Kasi mas maganda din naman na outside the Philippines ang connections nyo. Diba?
Yes.
So, ayun. Yeah, I'm very, very much excited talaga to know the other candidates. So, yeah. Hopefully. Diba?
Wow, thank you so much, Kenneth. And also, have you studied the culture in Thailand, like especially the language. Diba?
I've learned a little bit lang, like Kapon Kap, Sawadi Ka, yeah. But I'll be learning the last 2 weeks before I leave, just to learn about the country, learn about the culture, about Thailand. So hopefully, kung mabigyan ako ng chance ang makapag-perform ng isang Thailand song like what Michael Verg did
Wow.
last year, di ba? So I'll be preparing for that.
Anyway, I'm just curious about your talent, Kenneth. What's your talent?
Sing and dance.
Wow.
Yes.
bongga.
I want like song, hindi naman mala Gary V.
Oh.
Pero very close to that. Like I want you to perform kasi I'm a natural tawag dito extrovert. So hindi wala akong kiya sa katawan, but of course, syempre kailangan mo pa din paghandaan yung ipo-perform mo dun sa Thailand. So I'm brewing up like practicing yung mga gusto kong gawin dun. Like maalala talaga nila ako.
Will there be a talent here?
I don't know yet, pero I'll be
Pero-
confirming that with the organization. Pero ang alam ko lang is, I think we have 4 or 3 segments there, which is the formal wear, the swimwear, and the tawag dito, the costume.
National
yeah.
costume.
So I think kung magdadagdag pa ata, meron atang like talent portion, diba? So, yun.
Alright, so abangan na lang natin ang
Yes.
mga pasabog also ni
Yeah.
Kenneth. Anyway, Kenneth, I have prepared some flashcard, and this
Okay.
flashcard contains personal questions only. And for you to get to know all your pageant fans and supporters as well. So you will be picking 5 flashcards, and you will be answering it as much as you can.
Sige, sige.
All right, you pick your number 1 flashcard, the first flashcard.
Diba? Parang game show din to, diba? So, unang flashcard natin.
I will be reading that.
Okay.
Okay. And your question is, are you romantic, and how?
Very hopeless romantic. So, ako kasi yung tipo ng lalaki na I want dates. I want to go to different places with the person that I love. And of course, gusto ko din siyang idalin sa mga nagpapaalala sa akin about home kasi I was born in a different country. So, like, indulging in dates that will remember our childhood talaga. And also, I'm big on gifts talaga. Kasi yun talaga yung sign of love language ko.
Wow.
And very malambing ako. So, sa loob lang ng camera or sa pageantry world, very matikas or very tawag dito, maginoo ako. Pero paglabas, gusto ko din naman malambing, di ba? Gusto din naman ako mababy ng isang babae din, di ba? So, that's why. Very, very romantic ako, guys.
Okay. Okay, next flashcard.
Okay. Second question natin.
And the second question is, how do you comfort a friend who is broken-hearted?
Ay, eto, marami na akong mga kaibigan na broken-hearted talaga. So, lagi ko lang sinasabi is this. If it's not meant for you, then di mo na kailangan habulin pa. Kasi life will find a way that if it's true love, it will come back to you. Yun ang lagi ko ina-advise sa mga broken-hearted. And of course, tawag dito, hindi naman isang babae ang gagawin mong mundo. Kasi kung talagang para yan sa'yo, kahit ano pang pagsisira ng mundo yan or sa relationship nyo, magsistay pa din yan. So, sabi natin, life will go on no matter how good or bad is. So, just keep your head up and also just be better, just be a better version of yourself. Kasi malay mo, soon enough, the right girl will find your heart.
Alright.
Diba?
Bongga. Pasabog talagang ang sagutan ni Kenneth. Mukhang handa-handa na
Pwede
siya
na ako maging psychologist, di ba?
Next
Yeah.
flashcard. Third question. What makes a happy home?
Happy home. So, what makes a happy home is first and foremost, syempre, complete harmony within a family. Masaya kayo parehas kahit sabihin natin nagkakaroon ng problem. Problem is very normal sa isang family. So, for me, if just you're happy, everything is harmonious sa loob ng family nyo, kumakain kayo, may bahay kayo, may ginagawa kayo lagi as a family, nagbabanding kayo. And that's, for me, is a sign of a happy family. So, hopefully sa mga nanonood dyan, guys, lahat yan meron kayo.
Yes. Always have time and bonding.
Yes, have a family time. Whether kung complete man kayo or hindi, have a family time. It's best for your life talaga. That's my advice.
All right. Thank you so much
Okay, the
for
fourth
sharing.
question.
Fourth
Fourth question
question
natin,
is,
guys. Is nakakaba, di ba? Para lang ako nag-game show dito, di ba?
all right. Your question is, how do you react if a friend provoked you to anger?
Ay, normal yan. Marami na akong na-encounter na napipikon ako. Hindi naman ako
Oo.
very short-tempered, guys. Pero ako yung tipo ng tao na nagpipintig talaga yung tenga ko. Pero for me kasi, I address it in private. Kasi wala ka naman magigain na kahit na kahit anong benefit kung sa public mo siya gawin. Like if I have like problem with you, I talk to you in a normal way. I don't want to like in a fighting way na mag-aamba ako. Very guys very tawag dito, mataas ang chill mode ko talaga. Hindi ako nananakit guys. So lang ako, pag may problema tayo, pag-usapan natin talaga one-on-one. And if you don't like me, even though we talk, then that's you. For me kasi, I don't want to waste my time like getting you to like me. So if you don't like me or my personality, then that's you. I don't want to be the bearer of bad news sa'yo kasi ang buhay ko ay mag-move on, yung buhay mag-move on, di ba? Like what idol ko sa podcasting said, si Tito Mikey, I just mind my own business. So if you don't like me, then my life will still go on.
Exactly. Thank you so much once again for sharing, Kenneth.
Yes.
And your last
Last
flashcard.
question,
or
guys.
Last
Tingnan natin,
question.
guys. Diba? Para lang, ito na ata yung sign na mag-Q&A ako sa Mr. National Universe. Pinagpa-practice na ako ni Ma'am Shi. Diba?
Okay, your question is, what are things that you would like to achieve in life?
So first and foremost, claim na natin. Gusto ko manalo ng National Universe, di ba? For the Philippines. Yun yung una-una ko. Pangalawa, I want to be successful. Successful in a way that is wealthy. And last thing talaga is maging magaling na artist dito sa Philippines. Artist being complete package talaga, whether that is in pageantry, podcasting, acting, singing, and dancing. I just want to be overall remembered by many people. Kasi nga, sa akin, yung lagi ko sinasabi sa mga competition ko lagi is, I just want to leave a long-lasting legacy here that many people will remember me, even though that I'm gone. Like, pag sinabi nilang Kenneth Aniban, sa mundo ng pageantry, minayambag. Sa mundo
Yes.
ng show business, minayambag. And very, tawag dito, philanthropic. If you know, if you know what I mean, like very giving sa community.
Yeah.
So just like a pageant king or a pageant queen, they're giving back to the community. So yun yung gusto kong magawa is when the time is right, I'll be giving back to the community or the people that helped me throughout my journey here in this world.
Wow,
Diba?
bonggang-bongga.
Very pang Q&A na
For
guys.
sure, ibabless ka ni Lord
Yes,
with your
hopefully.
mission and vision.
Yes, hopefully.
All right. Thank you so much, Kenneth.
Thank
Do you have
you.
message to all the candidates of this year's Mr. National Universe?
Hey guys, so if you can see this, I'm very, very much excited to see you guys. I'm very much eager to learn your culture and your lifestyle. Kasi ako, I'm not born talaga here in the Philippines. So I had to learn the Philippine way. So for me, I'm very excited and let the best 5 men or the best man for the crown wins. And see you guys there and in our culture, ingat kayo lagi.
Wow.
Yun.
And syempre yung mga social media platforms mo
Yeah.
and kung meron mga online votings, you can promote it.
Sa online voting naman wala, pero I would like to say my social media kasi within this week talaga maglalabas tayo ng mga pasabog talaga. So you can follow me at my Instagram which is at Kenneth Aniban, Facebook which is Kenneth Aniban, and at TikTok at Kenneth Aniban with a double N sa dulo. So ayun guys, if you want daily updates from my life, daily content sa TikTok ko, you can follow me there. And ayun, I promise you guys, like what I said sa Mr. International reign ko or sa Mr. International preparations ko dati, I'll be giving it my 110%. And hopefully the stars will align for me.
Yes, bonggang-bongga,
Yes.
Kenneth. Thank you so much, Kenneth, for
Thank
your
you very
time.
much.
I know you have a hectic schedules
Yeah.
when it comes to preparation for your upcoming international pageant. So you give us time to get to know you more and as well as your updates in this competition. So thank you so much also for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe us on our YouTube channel, Pageant Trend, and to our Facebook page, Pageant Trend, and as well as Pageant Trend Philippines, and to our Instagram account also at Pageant Trend Official. And also, don't forget to support Kenneth on his journey to Mr. National Universe 2024 na gaganapin this month, na, di
Yes,
ba?
this month,
This month
yeah.
in Thailand, of course.
Yes, very excited
Yeah.
talaga.
So, support nyo siya, guys, ha. Thank you
Thank you
so
guys.
much.
Thank you guys. Love you
Bye-bye.
guys. Mwah. Love you.